Hey there. Today I'm going to show you a live version of how backing up with Notability works. First we'll look at automatic backups, then we'll look at manual backups. So let's get started. First I'll open Notability and I see my folders that I've created in Notability already. When I press this cog, it'll pull up a menu where I can see my options for automatically backing up. I'm going to choose Google Drive. And then I'll sign in using my username and password. Excuse me one second. Once I've correctly entered my username and password, it's going to ask me if I want to allow Notability to use these Google features, and then I'll press accept. Once I've done that, my notes will automatically back up to Google Drive, but I can press this cog to choose where they back up to. Notability's default is set to create a new folder called Notability, and I'm fine with that. Or, if I'd like to, I can tap the destination, which doesn't seem to be wanting to let me tap it. There we go, finally responded. And I can choose any of the folders that are already in my Drive section of Google Drive. I'm going to let it sync to the Notability, and once it is finally ready to go, now it's gonna, alright, once I've finally selected my folder and I get out of this menu, I'll notice down here when Notability is backing up, it will turn to say it's backing up. So let's create a notebook and get that to happen. Now that I've created that note, you can see that down here Notability has started to back up and it says that it's finished. So when I go to my Google Drive and I sign into Drive, we'll see in my Drive section that Notability folder should show up. Give it a second here. I'm going to pause the recording while that's working. It's come and I can see that it's right here as it was created today.